Yes, they are radishes, and perfectly edible. Black radish, also known as Spanish radish, are slightly larger and noticeably darker than traditional red radishes. Their exterior is dark purple to black. While you may not be familiar with black radishes are an exotic variety of radish that is part of the cabbage family. With a more peppery flavor compared to traditional red radishes, black radishes are native to Asia and also Europe. This beneficial vegetable has gained popularity in the past few years. Black radishes contain many different beneficial compounds while being low in calories. Noticeably bigger and having a more pronounced flavor profile, black radishes contain high amounts of fiber and vitamin C. A good amount of minerals and other vitamins are also present in black radishes. Black radishes contain beneficial antioxidants, phytonutrients, and enzymes, iron, potassium, magnesium, copper, selenium, zinc, vitamin B, vitamin A, and vitamin E are also present. Adding black radishes to your daily diet can prove to be beneficial in a myriad of ways. While not common to all areas, they are loaded with tons of benefits, which we will discuss in this video. Black radishes might be dangerous for some if black radishes are consumed in extreme excess. This excess consumption could be dangerous to healthy thyroid functioning. Allergic reaction symptoms might also be present in some individuals. As always, overconsumption of any one particular supplement, food, or substance could potentially have side effects. Now let's get right to it. Skin health. With high levels of vitamins and minerals, black radishes can help you to keep your skin looking its best. The antioxidant properties can help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. That means less wrinkles and blemishes, keeping you young inside and out. Anti-cancer potential. Again, antioxidants are the star here. Having a diet high in vegetables is crucial in staying healthy and strong. Reducing oxidative stress and reducing free radical damage can potentially reduce risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Optimal liver functioning. Black radishes are known to increase levels of glutathione. Glutathione is an important antioxidant that helps the liver to clear out excess toxins. As we age, glutathione levels get depleted. Cholesterol and blood pressure. Studies have shown that black radishes can help to lower overall cholesterol levels and help to reduce blood pressure. Fiber is key here. Reducing these two can help to fight atherosclerosis, risk of heart attack, and stroke. Weight loss and digestion. High amounts of fiber in black radishes can help to reduce overall calorie consumption. Fiber has been shown to be beneficial to overall digestion and gut health. Hypothyroidism. Having high amounts of selenium and potassium, these two compounds can help to improve steady thyroid hormone levels, reducing hypothyroidism. Immunity. With beneficial antioxidants and a high vitamin C profile, immunity can be boosted. Vitamin C reduces oxidative stress in the body. Magnesium and vitamin C can boost white blood cell count, which helps to fight disease, infection, and illness. Gallbladder. Consuming black radishes can help to promote optimal gallbladder health. The gallbladder stores bile and is important in digestion and the breakdown of food. Preventing gallstones can be achieved by ingesting radishes. Have you seen this amazing vegetable before? Do you plan on trying it? Comment below. Be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe for more videos in the near future. Don't forget to check out the description below for more great info. As always, friends, be well.